Hi, welcome to Maths classes. Let's solve question number 4 in exercise 5.1 chapter Arithmetic Progressions class 10 NCERT Maths. The concept is check if the list is in arithmetic progression and find the terms of arithmetic progression. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. They have few terms. Here 2, 4, 8, 16 are the terms given. We should first check if this list forms an arithmetic progression. Let's check. So 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. This is first term A1, second term A2, A3, third term A4 is fourth term. First we should check whether it forms an arithmetic progression or not. How do you check it? We should find the difference between consecutive terms. Let's find difference between consecutive terms. If the difference between consecutive terms is same, then you can tell that the given list is in arithmetic progression. Here consecutive terms are A1 and A2 or one set of consecutive terms. Let's find the difference. You should find the difference between second term and first term. A2 minus A1 is 4 minus 2. You got 2. Now, A2 and A3 are another set of consecutive terms. Let's find the difference. A3 minus A2. You get 8 minus 4. That is 4. Here, if you observe, the difference is not same. Difference between consecutive terms is not same. So the list is not in arithmetic progression. Only if the difference between consecutive terms is same, then you can tell that the list forms an arithmetic progression. Here it is not so. So you can tell that list is not in arithmetic progression. Next question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Now A1 is 2. A2 is second term is 5 by 2. Third term A3 is 3. Fourth term is 7 by 2. Now let's check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that we will find the difference between consecutive terms. A1 and A2 are one set of consecutive terms. Let's find the difference. A1 minus A2. Sorry, A2 minus A1. You should not do A1 minus A2. You should do A2 minus A1. 5 by 2 minus 2. LCM is 2. You get 5 minus 4. So 1 by 2. Next, difference between another set A3 minus A2. If you take these two terms, A3 minus A2. So 3 minus 5 by 2. LCM is 2. You get 3 to 6. 6 minus 5. 1 by 2. Now you have another set A4 minus A3. A3 and A4 are another set of consecutive numbers. So let's find the difference between them also. A4 minus A3, you get 7 by 2 minus 3. That is equal to LCM is 2. So you get 7 minus 6. So 1 by 2. If you observe, the difference between consecutive terms is same. Difference between consecutive terms is same. Hence, list is in arithmetic progression. Now, they are asking us if the list is in arithmetic progression, next write 3 more terms. We should write 3 more terms. You have till A4. What will be fifth term? Fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but A4, that is fourth term plus common difference. We know the common difference now. This is the common difference, right? So we know the common difference. A4 is 7 by 2 plus common difference is 1 by 2. You get 8 by 2. Though we got fifth term as 8 by 2. Now sixth term. Sixth term A6 is nothing but what? A5 plus D. A5 plus common difference. A5 is 8 by 2. Common difference is you got 1 by 2. So you get 9 by 2. Now seventh term. Seventh term A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. So 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 you get 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. Here also fifth term you can write what? 2 ones, 2 fours, 4. Okay, this is the way to find. Next question. Minus 1.2. This is first term A1. Minus 3.2 is second term. Minus 5.2 is third term. Minus 7.2 is fourth term. Now first check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that what do? Yes, we will find the difference between the terms. Difference between consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. A1 and A2 are consecutive terms. So A2 minus A1 is nothing but minus 3.2 minus of A1 is what? Minus 1.2. What do you get? Minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So you get minus 2. Now another set of consecutive terms. A2 and A3 are consecutive terms. So A3 minus A2. Find the difference. Minus 5.2 minus A2 is what? Minus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. You get minus 2 again. Next, another set is A3 and A4, another set of consecutive terms. So let's find A4 minus A3, difference between consecutive terms. Minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. We get minus 7.2 plus 5.2. So minus 2. If you observe, the difference between consecutive terms always is minus 2. Minus 2. So you got common difference D as minus 2. List is in arithmetic progression. Why? Difference between consecutive terms is same. So you can tell the list is in arithmetic progression. Now let's find the 3 more terms. Fourth term A4. You have already fourth term, sorry. So let's find fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but what? Fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is what? Minus 7.2 plus common difference we got as minus 2. Minus 7.2 plus into minus is minus. So you get minus 9.2. This is the fifth term. Now sixth term. Sixth term A6 is nothing but fifth term A5 plus common difference. So minus 9.2 plus common difference is minus 2. So minus 9.2 plus into minus is minus. So you get minus 11.2. Now seventh term. Seventh term is nothing but A7. That is equal to A6. Sixth term plus common difference. Sixth term is what? Minus 11.2 plus common difference is minus 2. So you get minus 13.2. We got 3 more terms now. Next question, they have given the list minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So first term A1 is minus 2, A2 is minus 6, A3 is minus 2, A4 is 2. Let's write it again. First term they have given minus 10. Second term is what? Minus 6. Third term is minus 2. And fourth term A4 is 2. Now we should check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that what should you do? We should find the difference between consecutive terms. These two A1 and A2 are consecutive terms. So let's find the difference. A2 minus A1. So you get minus 6 minus of minus 10. That is nothing but minus 6 plus 10, that is equal to 4. Now another set of consecutive terms. A2 and A3 are consecutive terms. You should find the difference between them. A3 minus A2. So minus 2 minus A2 is minus 6. So you get minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4 again. Now third term and fourth term are another set of consecutive terms. So A4 minus A3. So 2 minus of minus 2, you get 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. If you observe, the difference between consecutive terms is 4 always. Difference between consecutive terms is same. So the list is in arithmetic progression. So we got common difference D as what? 4. Now we can find next 3 terms. Fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but fourth term A4 plus common difference. Fourth term is 2 plus common difference you got 4. So 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Next sixth term. Sixth term A6 is nothing but fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term is what? You got 6 now. 6 plus common difference is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now seventh term. Seventh term A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. Sixth term you got 10. 10 plus common difference is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now next question. The terms given are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So the first term given is A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, A4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we should check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that what we should do? We should find difference between consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3 you get 0. Now you are left with root 2. Now another set. A3 minus A2. A2 and A3 are another set of consecutive terms. So let's find the difference. A3 minus A2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, what is A2? 3 plus root 2. So we get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 you get root 2. Now third and fourth terms are also consecutive. So let's find the difference. A4 minus A3. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Now if you observe, difference between consecutive terms is root 2 always. So difference is same. So the list is in difference between consecutive terms. Consecutive terms is same. So list is in arithmetic progression. You got difference, common difference as what? Root 2. Now let's find fifth term. Fifth term A5. That is nothing but A4, fourth term plus common difference. Fourth term is what? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus common difference we got as root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2. This is fifth term. Now sixth term. Sixth term A6 is nothing but fifth term plus common difference. So 3 plus 4 root 2 plus common difference is root 2. You get 3 plus 5 root 2. Now seventh term. A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. So 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. We get 3 plus 6 root 2. This is the 7th term. Next question. The first term A1 is 0.2. Second term A2 is 0.22. Third term A3 is 0.222. Fourth term A4 is 0.2222. So, let's find the difference between consecutive terms to check whether the list is in arithmetic progression or not. So, let's find the difference between first and second terms, that is A2 minus A1. So, 0.22 minus 0.2, what do we get? We get 0.02. Now, difference between third and second term, A3 minus A2. So, 0.222 minus 0.22. We get 0.002. So, if you observe A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, these two are not same. So, difference between consecutive terms is not same in this question. So, list given is not in arithmetic progression. Next question. The first term A1 is 0, second term is minus 4, third term is minus 8, fourth term is minus 12. Let's check whether the difference between consecutive terms is same or not. If it is same, the list will be in arithmetic progression. So, first term, second term are consecutive. So, find A2 minus A1. So, minus 4 minus 0, we get minus 4. Now, second and third terms are also consecutive. Let's find A3 minus A2. So, minus 8 minus of minus 4. That is nothing but minus 8 plus 4. You get minus 4 again. Now, third and fourth are also consecutive. So, let's find A4 minus A3. Minus 12 minus of minus 8. Minus 12 plus 8. Minus into minus is plus. So, you get minus 4 again. So, difference between consecutive terms is minus 4 every time. So, difference between consecutive terms is same. Hence, list is in arithmetic progression. What is the common difference we got? We got common difference D as minus 4. Now let's find fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but fourth term A4 plus common difference. So A4 is what? Minus 12 plus minus 4. So minus 12 minus 4, that is nothing but minus 16. Now sixth term A6, which is nothing but fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term is what? Minus 16 plus common difference is minus 4. So minus 16 plus into minus is minus. So minus 4, minus 16 minus 4, minus 20. Now, seventh term. Seventh term A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. So, minus 20 plus common difference is minus 4. Minus 20 plus into minus is minus. Minus 4 we get minus 24. Next question. The first term minus 1 by 2, second term is also minus 1 by 2, third term, fourth term, everything are minus 1 by 2. So just by seeing we can tell it is in arithmetic progression. How? The difference between consecutive terms is 0 always. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. Now let's find difference between the consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. What do you get? Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 again. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. Now third term minus second term. Again same, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0 again. A4 minus A3. Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, you get 0 again. So difference is same. List is in arithmetic progression. Why? Difference between consecutive terms is same. Difference you got what? 0. Now let's find the fifth term. Yes, obviously all the terms are same, so fifth, sixth and seventh terms will also be same anyways. A fifth term is equal to A5 is equal to A4 plus common difference. A4 is minus 1 by 2, common difference is 0, you get minus 1 by 2 again. Sixth term will also be same. Sixth term is nothing but fifth term plus common difference anyways. Common difference is 0, so you get minus 1 by 2 plus 0 again minus 1 by 2. Now seventh term is obviously same. A7 is nothing but A6 plus common difference, that means minus 1 by 2 plus 0. Again you get minus 1 by 2. Now next question. 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. The first term A1 is 1, second term A2 is 3, third term A3 is 9 and fourth term A4 is 27. To check whether this is in arithmetic progression or not, let's find the difference between consecutive terms. First and second terms are consecutive. So let's find A2 minus A1. So 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. Now let's find A3 minus A2, which are also consecutive. So 9 minus 3 is what? 6. If you observe here itself, difference is not same. Difference between second term and first term, third term and second term is not same. So difference between consecutive terms is not same. If the difference between consecutive terms is not same, the list will not be in arithmetic progression. So the list is not in arithmetic progression, AP. Next question. The first term A1 is A, second term A2 is 2A, third term A3 is 3A, fourth term A4 is 4A. Let's check whether this list is in arithmetic or progression or not. So find difference between consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. So 2A minus A, we get A. Now difference between third term and second term. A3 minus A2. So these two are consecutive. So let's find the difference. A3 minus A2. 3A minus 2A, you get A again. Now 3A and 4A here. These are third and fourth terms. They are consecutive. Let's find the difference. A4 minus A3. So 4A minus 3A. That is equal to A. If you observe, the difference between consecutive terms is same. Difference between consecutive terms is same. Hence, list is in arithmetic progression. We got common difference D as what? A. This is the common difference we got. Now let's find fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but fourth term A4 plus common difference. A4 is 4A plus common difference is A. So we get 5A. Now sixth term. Sixth term A6 is nothing but fifth term plus common difference. That means 5A plus A, that is equal to 6A. Now seventh term. Seventh term A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. So 6A plus A, we get 7A. Next question. The first term A1 is A, second term A2 is A square, third term A3 is A cube, fourth term A4 is A power 4. We should check whether the list is in arithmetic progression or not. What should we do? We should find the difference between consecutive terms. So, A square and A are consecutive terms. So, let's find the difference. A2 minus A1, A square minus A. What do you get? If you take A is common also, you get A of A minus 1. Now, this second term and third term are consecutive. Let's find the difference. A3 minus A2. You get A3's third term is what? A cube minus second term is A square. What do we get? Here A square is common. We get A square into A minus 1. So, if you observe, the difference is not same. Difference between consecutive terms is not same. Hence, list is not in arithmetic progression. Next question. The first term is what? Root 2. Second term is root 8. Third term is root 18. Fourth term is root 32. Let's see whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. How do you check? We'll find the difference between consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. That is nothing but root 8 minus root 2. So, root 8 can be written as what? 4 into 2 minus root 2. Here, root 4 is what? 2. Root 2 will be as it is. 2 root 2 minus root 2. Root 2 can be taken as common. So, 2 minus 1, or directly you can tell 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Root 2 of 1, that is nothing but root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2, you can tell 1 root 2. Now, another consecutive terms, another set, A3 minus A2. So, root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as 9 2s are 18 minus root 8 can be written as what? 4 into 2. Root 9 is nothing but 3. 3 root 2 minus root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 1 root 2. Now, let's find difference between fourth term and third term. Root 32 minus root 18. Root 32 can be written as what? Root of 16 into 2. Here 9 into 2. This you all know, right? Root A into, we can write root A into B is nothing but root A into root B. So, here root 16, root of 16 into 2 is nothing but root 16 into root 2. Root 16 is what? 4. 4 root 2. So, directly we can write 4 root 2. Here root of 9 into 2 means root 9 into root 2. Root 9 is nothing but 3. So, 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. You get 1 root 2. So, we can take common like this. You can take root 2 common. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, you can write root 2. 1 root 2. Now, if you observe, difference between consecutive terms is always root 2. Difference between consecutive terms is same. Consecutive terms is same. Hence, list is in arithmetic progression. Now we can find fifth term. Fifth term A5 is nothing but fourth term plus common difference. That means Root 32 plus common difference is what? Root 2. Root 32 can be written as what? Root of 16 into 2 plus root 2. That means 4 root 2 plus root 2. We can write as 5 root 2. Or you can write what? This 5 it goes inside, you will come 25 into 2. So root 50. Now sixth term. Sixth term A6 is fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term we got what? We can write 5 root 2 directly. 5 root 2 plus root 2. That is nothing but 6 root 2. You can write if 6 goes inside root, it will become 36 into 2. It will become root 72. Now, seventh term, A7 is nothing but sixth term plus D. Let's take this 6 root 2. Addition will be easier. 6 root 2 plus root 2 is 7 root 2. If we take 7 inside, it will become 49. 49 into 2, you will get what? You get 40 into 2 is 80. 80 plus 18. So, 98. 7 root 2. If this 7 goes inside root, it will become 49. 49 into 2 is 98. Root 98. So, fifth term is root 50. Sixth term is root 72. Seventh term is root 98. Next question. First term A1 is root 3. Second term A2 is root 6. Third term A3 is root 9. Fourth term A4 is root 12. Now let's check whether this is in arithmetic progression or not. For that, we will find the difference between consecutive numbers. So this root 3 and root 6 are consecutive. Second term and first term. Let's find the difference. A2 minus A1, root 6 minus root 3. How can you solve this? Root 6 means 3 root of 3 into 2 minus root 3. Root AB. Root AB is nothing but root A into root B. So based on this, we can write root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. Now let's take root 3 common. We get root 3 of root 2 minus 1. Now let's find difference between third term and second term. A3 minus A2. So root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 is nothing but root of 3 into 3. That is, you get 3 outside. Root 9 is 3 minus root 6 is 3 2s are 6. So you get 3 minus root 3 into root 2. So let's see. This you can write what? Root 3 whole square. 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Why? Why? Yes. A power m whole power n is nothing but a power m into n. This you know, right? Now I wrote root 3 whole square. Root 3 means what? Root means 3 power 1 by 2. Root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2 whole square. So a power m into n is a power mn. So 3 power 1 by 2 into 2, 2 gets cancelled. You get 3 again. So 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Now 3 can be written as root 3 whole square, root 3 into root 2. I will take root 3 common again. So you get what? Root 3 you get again root 3 of root 3 minus root 2. If you observe, this difference and this difference is not same. Difference between consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers is not same. Hence, list is not in given list is not in arithmetic progression. Next question. First term is what? 1 square. Second term is 3 square. Third term is 5 square. Fourth term is 7 square. Let's check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that, we will find difference between consecutive terms. First term and second term are consecutive. So, we will find A2 minus A1. So, 3 square minus 1 square. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 minus 1 square is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now, second term and third term are also consecutive. So, let's find A3 minus A2. So, A3 is 5 square minus A2 is 3 square. So, you get 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. 25 minus 9 is what? It is 16. So, observe. What did we get? Difference between consecutive terms is different here. 8 and 16 are different. So, difference between consecutive terms is not same. Hence, list is not in arithmetic progression. Here they have given first term A1 as 1 square, second term A2 as what? 5 square, third term A3 is what? 7 square, and fourth term as 73. Let's check whether this list is in arithmetic progression or not. For that, what should you do? We should find difference between consecutive terms. Let's find difference between A2 minus A1. 5 square minus 1 square, that means 5 square is 5 into 5, 25 minus 1, 24. Now difference between third and second term, A3 minus A2. So 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25. You get answer as 24 again. Now first term, second term are consecutive, second term and third term are consecutive, third term and fourth term are also consecutive. Let's find the difference between them also. Fourth term, A4 minus A3. So, 73 minus 7 square, 73 minus 7 square is 7 into 7. So, 49. So, 73 minus 49, what do you get? 73 minus 50, 23. Here you are doing only 49. So, you get 24. So difference is same everywhere. Difference between consecutive terms. Difference between consecutive terms is same. Hence, list is in arithmetic progression. Now, if the list is in arithmetic progression, let's find fifth term. Fifth term, A5 is nothing but fourth term plus common difference. Common difference we already got 24. So, fourth term is 73 plus 24, you get 97. Now, sixth term, A6 is nothing but fifth term plus common difference. Fifth term we got 97 plus common difference is what? 24. So, you get 90 plus 20, 110, 7 plus 4, you get 121. Next, seventh term. A7 is nothing but sixth term plus common difference. So, 121 plus 24, we get 145. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.